The front of a Lamborghini is low, wide, and sharply aggressive, dominated by sharp angles and aerodynamic lines. It's built to slice through the air at high speeds. Signature Y-shaped LED headlights give the car an intense, predatory stare. Gigantic air intakes below the lights feed cool air into the engine bay and brakes, emphasizing the car's race-bred performance. The hood is sculpted with vents and channels to control airflow, helping reduce lift and keeping the car planted even at over 200 miles per hour. Around back, Lamborghini doubles down on drama. Squared-off LED taillights, also in Y patterns, create a futuristic look. The center-mounted triple exhaust pipes blast out a symphony of V12 or V8 fury, while massive diffusers underneath help generate aerodynamic downforce. Some models feature an active rear wing that adjusts automatically at speed to improve stability and cornering. Above it all, a glass or carbon fiber engine cover proudly shows off the masterpiece power plant, turning raw mechanical beauty into an art display. Inside, a Lamborghini feels like a fighter jet crossed with Italian luxury. The cockpit is tight but lavish, trimmed in carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather. Deep bucket seats keep you locked in during high-speed maneuvers. A fully digital gauge cluster changes graphics depending on driving mode, from street comfort to track-ready aggression. A central touchscreen controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings, but physical switches remain for important performance functions. Special touches like the red flip-up starter button and aggressive toggle switches make every start feel like launching a missile. Under the hood, behind the driver sits the heart of the beast. The 2025 Revuelto, for example, combines a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 with 3 electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Other models like the Huracan successor may feature twin-turbo V8 hybrids, balancing brutal power with modern efficiency. Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive systems, lightning-quick dual-clutch transmissions, and lightweight carbon chassis technology ensure that these machines dominate both road and track.